Greetings everyone. In this video we are going to install Jupyter Notebook and Python using Anaconda. So before installing Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda, let's define what a Jupyter Notebook is. A Jupyter Notebook is a web-based interactive platform that allows you to write executable codes, associate markdown text for explanation. We will see what a markdown is, and display visual elements like charts, all within a single simplified interface. It is actually a web-based interactive platform where we write Python codes. So why I choose Anaconda? Because there are different IDEs like PyCharm and VC Code and so on and so forth, but I choose Jupyter Notebook for this particular tutorial. Why I choose Anaconda? I choose Anaconda because Anaconda comes bundled with Python, hundreds of libraries, useful tools like Jupyter Notebook. So once I install Anaconda, I will definitely find Python and Jupyter Notebook integrated in it. So that is one advantage of installing Anaconda. The second one is actually it comes with NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. These are the famous data analysis libraries. So it is good for data science and data analysis. And the other thing is it is beginner friendly. That means it reduces setup difficulties so that you can only focus on writing codes. So that means you don't have to waste your time in configuring, using commands and the like. So and there are actually a number of advantages using Anaconda, but for our particular case, these three advantages are sufficient. So following this, let us install Anaconda. So to install Anaconda, we go to this www.anaconda.com, and then there we find a free download link, and we click on the free download link, and we click on skip registration, and then we go to distribution installer. Then you select your operating system, and then you click on download link, and then you will start installing. So let us start installing Anaconda. So we click on www.anaconda.com. So the anaconda.com website comes, and you click on here free download link. Then you click on skip registration, and then you come down, and under the distribution installer you select your operating system. Mine is Windows operating system 64-bit, so I click on this one. So this has Python 3.13 associated with the Anaconda package. So I click on the download link, then it will start downloading. Since I have already downloaded it, I don't have to download it again, but you need to download it to install. So I go to the download folder, and then I click on the Anaconda package. So you double click on the Anaconda package. So the first screen that you will see is welcome to Anaconda 2024 64-bit setup. When you see this, you click on next, and you click on I agree. Okay, just follow the recommended one. Click on next, and then click on next now. So let's change the location, because let's say this one is Anaconda before. Click on next and you come here. So create shortcut. Okay, tick. Register Anaconda as a default Python 3 recommended. Okay, clear the package cache upon complete of recover some disk space without. So let's continue with the default selection and click on install. So this may take a while. So we will stop here and come back. So we are back now. So it has completed successfully. Anaconda may take a while installing. So after installation completed successfully, you click on next, and then again you click on next, and then you click on finish. So after you have successfully completed the installation, then you come here and then Anaconda Navigator. So since we are looking for Anaconda Navigator app, you click on Anaconda Navigator. Okay, since we have already selected the launch button, now it has started loading the Anaconda application. Now the Anaconda Navigator has launched. So there we come here and select updatable applications. Then there you will see the Jupyter notebook and you click on launch. Then the Jupyter notebook will automatically open a browser. So this is it. So this is a Jupyter notebook. So we can click on new and Python 3. So we have Python 3 and we have Jupyter once we have installed Anaconda. So you click on Python 3. Then there you will find the Jupyter notebook. So this is the Jupyter notebook. In the next video we will see how to use the Jupyter notebook using some examples. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.